हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको यूजेज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और द सिंगुलर गिफ्ट ऑफ साइंस टू मैनकाइंड और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इन द सर्विस ऑफ मैन ऐसे के बारे में बताएंगे। हेडिंग है फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन, सेकंड कम्युनिकेशन एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट, थर्ड मीन्स ऑफ क्रिएशन, फोर्थ डोमेस्टिक यूजेज, फिफ्थ मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट, सिक्स इंडस्ट्री एंड एग्रीकल्चर, सेवन स्प्रेडिंग knowledge, 8 conclusion. Electricity surpasses the old miracles of mythology. Dr. Taylor Cancer. Modern age is an age of science. Many discoveries and inventions have been made to make life comfortable and born living. Electricity is one of them. It plays an important part in our daily life. It has brought great happiness and prosperity to human beings. Electricity is really a boon to humanity. Electricity has given us wireless telegraphy. Telephone works with electricity. It helps us in sending or receiving message all over the world in no time. Telephone enables us to talk to people poles apart. Today electricity is used for running trams and buses. It has shortened time and space. The quick means of transport and communication have enabled different nations of the world to come in close contact with one another. Radio, television and cinema are the wonderful gift of electricity. Though radio can be hear song, stories, dialogues, speeches and the world news, TV enables us not only to hear but also to see the face of the singer or the speaker. Cinema has become the cheapest means of recreation. Photography also takes the help of electricity. In domestic life, electricity is a boon. It does many of our small works like an obedient servant. It keeps our houses lighted at all times. It cooks our food, boils our milk and water, washes and iron clothes, cools and heats our rooms and performs many other jobs. Electric fans give us cool air. In medical field, electricity play an important role. It is due to electricity that new discoveries and inventions have been made in this field. It cures many diseases. It has been found useful in the treatment of cancer. X-ray is a boon of electricity. It helps in tracing out internal diseases and fracture of bones. Electricity has proved itself of great use in our industrial development. It turns huge and heavy machines in mills and factories. Big canals and wells can be dug with the help of electricity. We can use the tubewell for irrigation. Electric tools can make bridge and change the courses of rivers. Electric power has helped a lot in spreading knowledge. It is because of electric power that numberless copies of newspaper, magazine and books are published daily. In this way, electric power has provided light not only to our homes but to our heads as well. Thus, we see that electricity control all our activity. There is no field in the of life which does not bear the stamp of electricity. It is in fact the brightest feather in the cap of science. Every day it is being put to new uses and it has given good result. Modern civilization is incomplete without it. Second ऐसे है न्यूज़पेपर एंड देयर इम्पोर्टेंस. इंट्रोडक्शन. सेकंड democratic value. Third, role in freedom movement. Fourth, importance of a businessman. Fifth, means of advertisement. Sixth, educative value. Seven, some evils. Eight, conclusion. The newspaper is so much with us now that it is already difficult to imagine a world without it. H.G. Wells, sir. Today, newspaper play a very important role in our life. They have become almost as important as food and clothes. Everybody wants to read a newspaper. In cities, morning tea is not released without a newspaper in hand. The four letters of the word news stand for all the four directions: north, east, west, and south. In this way, newspapers bring us news from all sides. A newspaper is most powerful organ of democracy. In democracy, its value is really great. It is a link between the people and the government. Its role in the national and international life of a country is very important. The government and the public both can explain their points of view through a newspaper. In the words of John Galsworthy, democracy cannot survive without honest press. Being a powerful medium of information in a democratic country, press is called the fourth pillar of the society. During Indian freedom movement, newspaper played a vital role. Newspaper made Indian public aware of cruelties of British Empire. Patriotic poems, songs, and articles published in newspaper made British government restless. Newspaper named Maratha, Kesari, and other made people enthusiastic to get rid of British Empire. Though newspaper, Indian people kept themselves informed of all the activities going on in the country. Literature published in various newspapers was a challenge for British government. So much of the literature was banned by Britishers. It is rightly said that pen is mightier than sword. Newspaper are very necessary for businessmen. They give the news to rise and fall of prices, of market trends, and of the rates of commodities in every part of the world. They help in the development of trade and commerce. Newspapers are also important means of advertisement. There are all kinds of advertisement in them. They advertise goods of different kinds and bring the buyer and the seller closer situation. Vacant columns help the unemployed people in finding out jobs. Matrimonial columns help us in finding life partner. The newspaper publish market reports, radio program, literary articles, cinema reviews, legal notice from courts, notice of birth, test match, commentaries, etc. The educative value of newspaper is untold. Article on all subjects, scientific, literature, literary, political, and economic appear in them. There are interesting talks, speeches, short plays, and articles in the newspaper. These articles increase our knowledge and broaden our outlook. They provide us with recreation, knowledge, and information. Newspapers have some evils also in our country. Different newspapers favor different political parties for their propaganda. Sometimes they publish false news and spread rumors. Sometimes rich men use them for their personal gains. The advertisements are obscene at times. The news of rape, dacoity, abortion, and the like poison our minds. The government should check the publication of vulgar and obscene matter. It is necessary for the government to control the press during war. Newspaper may prove to be of great importance in the development of human culture and civilization. Their future age without doubt brings. Thanks. Next, a river in flood or a flood scene. Introduction. Second, cases. Third, times of flood. Fourth, the scene of the flooded area. Fifth, the destructive effect of the flood. Sixth, relief work. Seven, conclusion. Floods are very common in India. They are a natural calamity during the rainy season. We learned from the newspaper the news about the great damage done by rivers in flood in many parts of the country. A great loss of life and property is caused. Floods are generally the result of continuous and heavy rainfall. Sometimes layers of snow melt on the mountains, causing a flood in the mountainous region. Sometimes a flood is caused by a crack in any wall of a dam. Last year in the month of July there were no rains, but in the beginning of August it rained cats and dogs for 5 days. The water in the river Jamna began to rise, but it was below the danger mark. One night there was a sudden rise of water in the river and it crossed the danger point. The water was flowing with a great noise. All the neighboring villages were surrounded by water. All the houses began to leak. The water of the river rushed in with great speed inside the city. There was water everywhere. All the fields were under water. People with their luggage were moving through water to safer places. Thousands of men, women and children became homeless. We saw a number of deaths and animals floating on the water. The effect of this flood in the neighboring villages was very great. It caused a great loss of human life and property. Crops were damaged, trees were uprooted, houses were washed away, cattle were drowned. It was followed by epidemics. Heavy loss of life and property took place. A number of charitable persons helped the poor sufferers of flood. Some people collected money to help the unfortunate families. Some generous people gave milk, cloth and bread to these poor sufferers. Relief camps also helped them a lot. I offered my service as a volunteer. Arrangement was made for the distribution of food, clothes and medicines by the government official. To imitate the evil of flood, big tanks and canals should be dug out. Big dams should be constructed to store the water of the flooded river. People should be trained to serve in such calamities. They should be taught swimming and rowing. Government is paying every possible attention to the problem of food control. The knowledge of modern science should be used for controlling them. Thanks, best of luck.